3. Okay, so one's get together, two's get together, three's get together. Go to the table, the programmer, another one's going to be the robot. Okay? And go to a table. That table right there. This table. Yep. Okay, so what you're going to do, here's one person sandwich.
What on earth?
Okay, here's, boy, this is going to be an exciting sandwich. On the faucet.
How do I rinse for 20 seconds under the sink? Okay, there you go.
Powering on.
Oh no! No, you did not.
Pick up knife.
Oh my.
Do I have to?
Yes.
I have to?
Yes.
Oh. I know you said for the, oh, okay. The left hand. No, I didn't say that. And place it. That's the middle of the jam. It's out there. Look, only one out there.
What was the title? Did you get the title of this one? Did you tell you?
Hunger?
Huh?
Was it the hunger?
No, that's cat. You know.
What year was that?
Simon, you have all the waterproof stuff.
4 years ago, maybe?
From up to down, not from down to up.
Before any of these guys, right? Were you here when we did that thing?
No.
Okay, so that was before any of these guys.
It still needs to be waterproof.
So it had to be 4 or 5 years ago.
I do say you have to wrap that like all over. Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Or was it the first year?
But can you help us decide how we should stabilize it?
I think we did it twice. We did it like we did it the first days.
What are we gonna do?
The arrow to the next one.
No Lego got this.
Read.
Dude. Is it this one?
No, black. That black should be on the shirt.
No, black will be on the shirt, yeah.
Your senior page was the best one. It was so good.
Oh, yesterday.
Okay, here's 4 of these for everybody,
Oh my goodness.
whoever needs front.
Alright, take it, feel it quick before it
Adopted this
decide. Or no, just go ahead, take it off. I say quick, like not too quick, but like not any longer than like a minute and a half. Was there somebody else who's ready?
Maybe that's
No, like Sean said everything. He was like, that sounds pictures.
Alright, but just so you know.
I even heard it at the breakfast table. He was still talking about it blazing.
Okay,
What does music have to do with rescue?
Entertains you while you're waiting for rescue.
So wait, it rescues you from boredom. There she is. So years ago, the state of Georgia sent every household in the state of Georgia a CD. And they did that based on some scientific research that came out. So let me ask you, how many of you guys like broccoli? Okay, all right, good. Did you raise your hand? No. Okay, so, but if you ate broccoli, would you get the same nutrients that they got?
Yes.
Yes, so you don't have to necessarily like it in order for it to be good for you, right? So the scientific study was that you learn better if you listen to classical music while you study. All right, so you have, who had middle C?
C.
Middle C. Okay, Victoria. So middle C, D,
This is the sound. D. You feel the water and start making that E.
Where's the water out of this? That's a lot of water.
So I got B.
and then you blow
How do you get water out of it? Is it this one or this one? You can use this. So hard.
Let's see what I have to take out.
Got it.
So what am I supposed to be?
I'm making a C.
I can't get mine.
Are you making C?
One, two, three, four. Okay.
Hey, whenever you're ready. I do believe you can swim. My boat, Calvin!
It actually worked. It actually worked.